Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. This short video tutorial will show you how to delete pages from your PDF in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF file. As you can see, this PDF document has 21 pages in total. To delete your desired pages, go to the Document menu and click the Delete Pages option. Here you can delete your current or selected pages, or you can set a custom range to delete your pages. To enter a range, enter the first and last page separated by a dash. Add a comma before entering another range or pages. To select pages with breaks, just enter page numbers separated by commas. Now it will delete pages 1 to 5 and pages 7 and 10. So we are deleting 7 pages from a 21-page PDF. Once you are done, click OK. Now that your selected pages are deleted, you can see that the total page count is reduced from 21 to 14 after deleting the 7 pages. This is how you delete pages from your PDF in Revu 21 without any need to use online PDF editors that compromise your document's confidentiality. Watch our other video on how to insert pages in PDF with Revu and stay connected with Brighter Graphics.